This is the first year that Tiger Paw has had a related arts program. Early childhood education is all about providing students with the tools and skills that lay the foundation for future academic and school success, and related arts serves that mission by targeting a multitude of developmental skills while also providing our students the opportunity to transition throughout their day.
When these kids walk into any class that they're coming to mine, I want them to walk in those doors and feel joy and feel love and know that we are going to have a great time together in class. In music class, we really focus on rhythm and being able to clap or move to the beat. The students are learning to be able to express their emotions through different types of music and also a love of instruments. In art class, we really focus on how to use art supplies appropriately. A lot of these kids have never been exposed to scissors, to glue, so we talk about scissor safety, how to use glue. Also, I want the kids to be able just to have creative freedom in here and just to be able to express themselves through art and their creativity.
Here at Tiger Paw, during PE, we specifically work on letting the kids move and learn about their bodies, but also following directions because that can be really hard when you're super excited. And the best part about this age is they're super excited for everything that's new. So it's really just honing in those skills of, hey, we're gonna have fun, but you also need to focus on what the expectations are and what the rules are. The favorite activity by everyone here at Tiger Paw is by far the parachute. I use that in the beginning of the year to really set, super strict boundaries and rules for the kids. That way they know when they come to PE, there's expectations, but I also want them to have fun and grow and learn about their bodies. And I'm a firm believer that play is the best way that we as humans, whether we're adults or kids, learn about our bodies and our minds and what we're capable of.
In library class, we focus on book care. We have a theme, how to treat our books like babies, and the kids can really relate to that. It also helps to increase their attention span, to be able to sit on the carpet as a whole group and listen to a story and then answer questions that are related to that story. They also get to check out a book, and I'm really teaching responsibility of them understanding they have to return that book to school as well. In the sensory lab, we focus on gross motor skills, fine motor skills. There's lots of sensory integration in here, and we focus on a lot of core strength as well.
As we were planning for the expansion of Tiger Paw in our programs and considering kindergarten readiness, we felt it was extremely important to provide our students the opportunities that the exposure and experience that related arts gives them.
It's just truly a joy, and I'm truly the lucky one.